Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex from Fitment Industries and...
Alex from Fitment Industries.
Wrong. What's your actual name?
Gels from Fitment Industries.
Yes. And?
Steve from Fitment Industries.
He is way older than you think he is. And today we are bringing you another episode of reviewing your car. So if you didn't know, all you have to do is add your car to the gallery at fitmentindustries.com/add. And then you'll actually, once that goes live, you can send that URL link to us in an email to shop@fitmentindustries.com. And then all you have to put in the subject line is review my ride. So if you want to be in this series, that is how you do it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. 2 new people. This is gonna be interesting. So let's start off.
Wow.
Jordan! Jordan!
Jordan!
So our first car is a 2007 Honda S2000 on some Working Motions Kiwamis, 18 by 10.5 plus 22. Federal SS 595 225 40s. Let's start it out with Steve. Steve, what are your thoughts?
It's definitely a car. If I had to take a second glance, I would. I like how clean it looks with the black top, and the wheels kind of set the car off really nice.
Sure, that spoon body-esque style look.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with Working Motions. Emotions. Gels, thoughts?
I like it. I think it's really clean. I like the fact that it's on air suspension. The Working Motions look really nice on there with the big spokes. It makes the wheels look a lot bigger than they actually are. What were 18 by 10s?
Yeah.
So yeah, it gives it a bigger look. I dig it.
I think the side skirts are what kind of blow me away the most. So it doesn't, I can't tell if it's got something on the rear bumper, but the side skirts are definitely aftermarket, see?
Yeah.
And then the front
yeah,
bumper, it's got the lip, so it actually makes it look a lot lower too, even having the airlift. So he probably gets a lot of function out of the car because he has the aero on it. I like it. I dig the spoon body look. The only thing I don't like is the, actually nothing. I like the whole car. So, you guys know the system. You gotta rate it on 3. You can rate this out of 10.
Okay.
You guys watch the videos,
Yes.
fitmentindustries.com, YouTube?
Yes, we're familiar.
Okay, cool. All right, on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 7.
8.
That's fair. That's fair. So that goes out to our homie S2 Kaylee. Good looking car though, definitely dig it. Moving forward, 2005 Cadillac STS on some Concept 1, I was gonna say Cosmos.
No.
Concept 1, CSM5's 20 by 11 square setup, plus 30. And then we're looking at some land sale, LS 588, 235, 35. I want you guys to guess in the comments how old Steve is, and I can almost promise you you're wrong.
Yeah, nobody's gonna get it.
Yeah, so we're gonna start off with Gels. Gels, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on the car?
It's a very bright color.
That's a really nice way of saying you don't like green.
No, I don't mind green. Actually, plastic dipped my wheels green once.
Let's not talk about that.
Let's just forget about it. No, it looks like it's actually pretty well done. Not the hugest fan of it, but I do like it. I think it looks like it's done very well. The Concept 1 wheels on there look pretty sharp. I probably wouldn't have gone with that style personally, but not bad.
I think the car is super clean. I'm really impressed with how clean it is. A friend of mine from a few jobs ago had one. I mean, really, I'd have to agree with Gels on this one. The only thing that really doesn't gel with me is the green. Yeah.
Goddamn.
Pun intended.
That was good.
Yeah.
Did you think about that before you said it?
It was
moment,
tumbling
so
in
you're
there.
like,
I was like,
yeah,
I gotta throw it in there at some point.
That's good. That's good. So here's, I mean, I like that it's something different. That's pretty cool. Yeah. I'll tell you what I'm not a massive fan of. The land sails, not a huge fan of the tires. And there just seems to be a lot of decals happening on the front windshield in the video.
I do like the fact that he's got like the Kermit theme going on.
The Kermit theme's cool. I dig it.
Yeah, I do like that. I appreciate that. I get where the green comes from with that.
Yeah,
but
I dig it. I dig it. Okay, we're rating this on 3. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 5. Kermit the Frog, I like that you're doing something different, so don't let us knock you down, okay? I only have one car and I barely drive it, so you can talk smack as much as you want. Moving forward onto the most beautiful car probably ever made in the world, because it is, and there's just no argument against it. You guys are just gonna rate it a 10. We're gonna be done with it. 2009 Mercedes-Benz C300 on some niche Misanos, typical, 17 by 8.5. And 18 by 9.5 in the rear. Michelin Pilot Sport fronts, 225 and 255/45s in the rear on some D2 Racing air suspension. This is not an AMG, but they hid the corner logo to make it look like it might be an AMG, but it's not. I don't mind it. I guess I'm always a fan of like the AMG. I like the white on black. Not a huge fan of the fact that it seems like the rear bumper is like missing a piece.
It looks like he's missing it's probably to fit the exhaust in there.
Yeah, I can't
Probably
say that I'm a fan of that either, but overall, yeah, the car looks just perfect.
I mean, it's a good looking car though.
Yeah, for sure.
I dig it. I like that it's on air suspension. Gels, what are your thoughts?
I like it. I like that. I like the staggered setup on it. You got the more concave wheel in the back. Air suspension, obviously. The white on black looks pretty good. It looks like in the back there he's got some black spats coming off the side, and then he's got the little duckbill diffuser. I'd like to see that go around the rest of the car, like maybe along the side a little bit.
Sure.
And then in the front, like maybe like where the little canards are on the on the bumper or something like that. But no, I think it looks really nice.
Steve?
Yeah, overall I really like the car. I'm not entirely digging the lack of rear splitter, diffuser, whatever it may be that's missing from there. I would really love to hear the way the car sounds.
Yeah, because it looks like an aftermarket exhaust.
Yeah.
It definitely looks like he's doing some. It's full bolt-on E85 custom tune, custom headers, custom exhaust, custom spider headlights, custom LED taillights, Rentec wing, carbon fiber eyelids, chrome delete, and full CF interior. I mean, it's got stuff.
Yeah, I'd also like to see a front lip on it.
So let's rate it on 3. 1, 2, 3, 6.5. 8.5.
8.5.
Steve? Moving to the exact other side of the field, we have a 2016 Kia Rio. Fast wheels exploit 16x8 plus 33. I don't see the 8 as often as I used to. Ingen A1 195/45s on some Wasp coilovers. SF Lindell 87. Thank you for adding your car to the gallery, homie. Definitely something very different.
Yeah, it is a very different style of build.
Talk about it, Steve. You go first.
Well, considering while my car is not a Kia, it is very close to what that is. I mean, I think it looks good. I think it looks all right. It's just not necessarily the car I would have done that stuff to.
Steve, I just don't know if you're being honest.
I'm being totally honest. It's definitely not a car I would have done anything to. But it looks good, the fact that he did do something to it. I kind of like how the front bumper looks like reminiscent of like a GTI bumper. It
definitely has that like style for sure.
Yeah, and it almost has that like whoa, and then you realize it's a Kia and you're like.
So I see a lot of Honda esque style in this car. First and foremost, the hood risers. And then it's got the arrow, it's got the side skirts, front bumper, got the whole wheels. It's got the lip, which is pretty cool to see a step lip on an 8 wide. I enjoy that. I think it looks nice. I like the wrap, looks good. Just a different car. Really a different car. It's neat.
It is neat.
It's definitely something that I'd be like, what am I looking at? And he takes it to shows, it looks like. Looks like he wins a little bit.
Wow.
He went into Import Fest, got 2nd place for baddest import other. It looks like he's got some rear diffusing action happening. I dig the fact that he did something different.
Honestly, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm a fan of your Kia.
Very interesting. Okay. Gels, any last words before we rate it?
I like it. I like the style.
You sure you do?
Yeah, actually,
You're not
I
just
do.
saying that?
No.
You sure? YouTube will let you know if they think you are.
Oh no.
This is your first time. Just saying. Just letting you know.
No, I do like the car. The color itself, probably not something I would go with, and definitely probably not the wheels. They're not my style wheels.
You don't
that
like
I would
the
go
old
with.
MT5 double 5?
Not on something like that, no.
They look like some Heritage Ibisus is what they look like. Which, by the way, you can get on the site now because we have Heritage on the site. What?
But I like the arrow. I like the style that he went with it. It looks like he's really proud of it, and he should be. I mean, it's definitely different, so.
Cool.
I dig it.
Let's rate it on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3,
7.5.
I know we're on the same page, but because of the other pictures that we had of that. Last car, we're moving quick because we have to, otherwise our videographer is going to yell at us. We have a 2012 Honda Accord Cross Tour K3 Project 1 20x11 plus 25s, some land sale CLV1s, 245/35. This is WTP7TH signs. That is quite the handle for your Instagram, sir. That is busy. On some K-Sport air suspension. I'm going to take it off first by saying I love how absolutely ridiculously different this car is.
Yeah.
It looks like a Porsche Panamera from the side. Don't get mad at me, but from the side it does. It's got that wide rear fender. Wheel choice, very cool. Tire choice, I'm on the fence about. Definitely different, not something I would, again, ever build. The back looks like a Panamera, the camber less to distaste, but it is a very neat car. Definitely something I would look at a car show. Gels, you're up.
All right.
15 seconds.
Wheels, huge. They actually look a little too big in my opinion for that car, but I mean, they are massive. Color, awesome. Styling, good. Wheel choice, like style-wise, like it. Solid car.
Steve?
I love the color, I love the styling. Again, just like with Alex, not a big fan of the size of the wheels, but overall, a very, very clean, well put together, unique ride.
1, 2, 3, 7. We are on the same page. I appreciate that out of a man that's like 90 years old. So those were our 5 cars for the day. If you guys want to add your cars to this video, all you have to do is add your car at fitmentindustries.com/add. And then you would send the completed link to your gallery to shop at fitmentindustries.com with the subject line, review my ride. Oh my gosh, I can't. We are done here.
It's my first time.
Let us know what you guys would like to see next. I'm Alex from Fitment Industries.
I'm Giles from Fitment Industries.
And I'm Steve from Fitment Industries.
And we will see you later. Peace.